Meteorologist Jeff Ray, we're probably going to get woken up if we fall asleep a little early tonight, huh?
Yeah, the storms are coming in, and they're going to be rather strong ones at that. Right now, not much going on. I hope you're out and enjoying your holiday weekend. It's nice out there. It is a little warm and humid. It is 95 is the official high, which makes it the hottest day we've had so far this year. Look at the tornado watch out to our west in the panhandle up towards Lubbock. This is a tornado watch that goes on till 11 p.m. These are the storms. This is the system we're watching because we think this makes a run for us here later on tonight through the overnight hours. It'll hit us. That's an enhanced risk, and you see it does get close to the Metroplex, and we're under a slight risk in both Tarrant and Dallas County. So we do have these threat of severe weather very much closing in on us as we close the day. That hatch mark, that means what the threat is hail up to 2 inches in size. A little bit about the timing. We think between 10 p.m. tonight all the way through the overnight hours, damaging winds, hail, and heavy rain are possible with that highest threat out to the west early. The storm should weaken a little bit as they cross the Metroplex. Morning storms will be leaving tomorrow morning. We'll get kind of a midday break, and then they start right back up that threat. 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. storms start cranking up again. That's another severe weather threat with damaging winds and hail. It will go into the evening with heavy rain, the biggest threat, as we get into Monday night. This is how it looks on Futurecast. Notice it come rolling in from the west. This is stopped at the midnight hour, kind of on top of the Metroplex, give or take an hour. But there it is with its damaging winds and hail threat. It leaves. We wake up in the morning, the clouds start to clear, and then as soon as we get in the daytime heating, we are right back in it. This will be coming up from the southwest. All modes of severe weather possible. The tornado risk is pretty small, but we'll have to worry about large hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding as we get later into the night. That should pull on out of here, but the storm chances are going to stick around. Your Memorial Day forecast, you can see how the storm chances wind down across the morning. Notice we're in the 70s and we're also very humid. It's a kind of a warm start, but it will be a cooler day. Severe thunderstorms will keep the temperatures to only about 80 degrees, and then they'll drop as we close the day because of the rain as those storm chances come up and they peak at the end of the day into the early evening. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, the same kind of temperatures, below 80s. Storm chances not as great, 20-30%, but these storm chances are sticking around. This is the last hour time lapse, and you can see not a bad afternoon at all. I know a little warm, little humid, but nonetheless, those feel-like temperatures did close in close to 100 degrees on a brisk south wind. The backyard forecast looks like this. By 7:30 or 10 a.m., 73 degrees, I should say. And notice the feel-like temperatures kept in check because the temperatures will not get that warm, though it will be humid. It's just by the afternoon. I think storms will chase you off that pool, chase you out of that park, and chase you off of that grill. As we get into your 7-day forecast, boy, the temperatures are pretty much the same as we get through the whole work week. We do have a warming trend as we get into the weekend, but we just can't shake these storm chances. If we're going to have another first alert weather day, might be Thursday. That's a 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms. Doug?